That's actually a very brilliant question, Mfana. A brilliant question, because as you know, 2016 was a very difficult year. So people want to know how to survive 2017. And then there's a couple of things that I realized that might help people survive 2017 and make it better. One of those things is know the miracle church. If you know my miracles that are being performed at the nearest church, it's easier. Because remember, pane church here yakazoita mamiracle ema anointed cucumbers, vanhu vanga vatori nezvingoro zvemagaka vakatopinda mumari. Saka iwo kungoziva zvikuitwa pachechi wotanga kurima just in case supply bag. Imwe nyaya futi, it's election season. Saka kungotsvagawo chimupolitician chako chaunozembera wapinda mubhegi, because mapolitician nemaprophet 1v1, 1:1, geche. They are in the miracle business. Kungonyepa chete. Apatombonakana qualification inodikanwa, kungotsvaga chimupolitician chako regardless of party, kwese kurungonyepwa, kwese kurungorehwa nhema, ungotsvaga chimupolitician chako wapinda mubhegi. Whether vadyirwa whether vaita sei, but 2018 unenge waretire wafa mari, but retire wotiza. But that's neither here nor there. We're talking about 2017. Imwe nyaya futi, garai makatenga maline. You never know kuti vaya vanokwidza madhata nemachichichichi vanogona ngomuka vakatsamwa vakakwidza sezvo vakaita paipa. You want to prevent a situation yekuti pane vamwe vasikana mayellow bone vatakatozoona vakudzidzira kuridza muridzo muna January, because zvaoma masmoke signal vanhu vakudzidzira kuvesa moto because data ranga rarema. Saka that's my advice. That's what I would actually advise this year. Saka pamberi nekusurvivor pamberi. Well, first of all, I just want to say thank you, gentlemen, for affording me this opportunity to talk to the rest of Zimbabwe and give them these words of encouragement. And what I would want to say is, to survive 2017, you just have to come to Upper Life Ministries, because the congregation of Upper Life Ministries is covered for the rest of the year. We have fresh miracles, we have new miracles never seen before, all the way from the Holy Land. So come through, get your deliverance. All you have to do is Ngoyane Maria Jesus. Ngoyane Maria Jesus to facilitate the deliverance. That's the only way to survive 2017. Otherwise, you won't survive. Thank you so much for affording me this opportunity to talk to you, Zimbabwe. See you next week. Upper Life Ministries. I'm your guy, Papa Double.
Unoza voice rebasa, unopedza kavoice kanonetesa voice. Hey, but unoza ukataura saizvozvizvi aesthetics dzeuprophets dzinatsobuda. Handi, that's what you guys need, and if mama, hey. The church business is difficult. It's difficult these days because demand yawandisa. Demand product irikuwandisa kudarika demand. Ukeda vanhu vari kuvhura machechi vakawandisa, saka kuti that's why you see some of vanhu vechechi vakuenda kupolitics, because kupolitics ndokwatone mari election season. But inini manje, to stay ahead of the competition, what I'm going to be releasing new products, innovative products, because you have to stay ahead. Unaona mujira uyu, we're going to be calling this wife material. The trick is to we sell this to you. You buy mucheka uyu, and then we tell you that you get married in 12 months. Even we all know that the miracle is not going to work, but the trick is, even at the end of ningirigini munhu anenge achiri nehembe dzake, chikuru kusashama munhu anenge ane hembe yake. Zvasiyana nemamwe mamiracles aya emagaka ari kuitwa kune mamwe machechi ekuti munhu adla gaka asara ane nyongo. Saka you see kuti at least munhu anogaina some of these things. Ndo zvatirikuita this year kuti it's nyaya yekuti you have to stay ahead of the competition. We're trying to out. The problem that I had with my church ndeyekuti the name yechurch yacho Upper Life Ministries, it's limiting in what you can do in terms of now, because of the expenses. My church, I can't move to ground floor because Zita, the devil is in the eye room. But now I would suggest kuna munhu arikutanga church kuti start with a humble name. Zita riri humble. Start humble, start small, because zvinokulimita. Ukaisa zita rako, ukapa zita rekuti kana kuseri kweJurawo Ministries, you can still achieve very mobile.